Good morning. My name is Sapphire. This is a vlog from Queens, New York. We just finished our first day at an Airbnb and it was really comfortable. We didn't realize it was as like a hostel situation, but honestly it was very clean. I had no problems going to sleep. The sheets smelled like
fresh laundry,
which is so rare. Even in hotels, I always carry a spray with me. Oh yeah, so here's a hack. If you don't like the smell of like foreignness, you can fill a little tiny bottle with essential oil of your liking and spray it on the sheets. Essential oil mixed with a little bit of water, of course. I didn't even have to use it. The only downside of this particular stay was the shower had a slow drain, so that kind of got awkward. But I have a phobia of hair, just like, I mean, unironically I'm bald, but there is something about a stranger's hair all over the place that is perturbing, I will say. So I like the fact that this place, this accommodation, let's do this New York thing. No, I don't want to die. Yeah. Oh. I did like the fact that there were signs all over the place in the bathroom that said, "Do not comb your hair in the bathroom. It's disgusting." But that's not what it said, but that's how I read it, and I really appreciated that. Yes, everything was lovely. They had breakfast items available, instant coffee, apples. Did you have your banana this morning?
No.
No banana was had this morning, but yesterday Anne had a banana, and I thought that was nice. For free, which was really sweet and kind. Overall, I'd give it a 9.5.
9.5?
I'd give it a 9.
9?
I would give it an 8.5.
No, you don't have to change your score.
because I only give it such a high rating because of the fact that it's a hostel with multiple people. I think it's rare to have that much cleanliness involved.
Honestly, I don't do hostels. Hostels are no for me. And we didn't expect it to be a hostel where we booked it. It was a private room in someone's house, which was that person's house, but then she's also renting several bedrooms. And yeah, it was super clean. Like, I was surprised. And like Sapphire said, the bathroom was clean. There were signs saying, "Don't do stupid shit, be clean, this is a shared space." The location is perfect.
Yeah, it's really close. 4 minutes from a subway.
Yeah, 5 minutes from a subway. And there's our favorite restaurant coming up. That's the spot.
But we're gonna ask them today how it's pronounced.
If you're in Queens, that's the spot to have breakfast. Yeah, just finished breakfast. It was bomb as usual. We're now going to make our way to Lower Manhattan. Wait, we have to tell the people what we had for breakfast. So I had a bagel with ham and cheese. Mwah. What did you have?
I had a croissant with bacon and eggs. And
so
green
good.
smoothie.
And we had 2 green smoothies, which are just so refreshing. It really cleans the tubes on the inside. That's what it feels like. Anyway, we're going to Lower Manhattan. Going to check in out our next hotel accommodations.
It's a small room, but that's New York for you. And a TV.
smells clean.
It does smell clean. The AC is making a lot of noise though. And the view is pretty good. View on the water. Just sick.
The water side of the hill.
And over here we have the washroom.
Wow, this view. This is actually a gorgeous view.
Shower here.
Wow.
That's a standing shower.
It
We have a standing shower. Yes, and it's a huge standing shower too. That's it. We're here for 2 nights. Just 2 nights. And then we'll be going back to Montreal. Ta-ta!
Not ta-ta.
Feels like a stampede waiting to happen. Something. Glad that we did it. It was crazy. Our Lady Liberty looks good.
She looks nice.
She looks nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, super crowded. I mean, it's a weekend. It's noon, 1 p.m. We basically went at the worst time. But yeah, it's a lot of people. But we did it. It was nice. If you're gonna go, make sure to get on the hurricane deck. It's the 3rd floor, and there's more outdoor space, I guess I would say. 2nd floor gets swamped real quick, but if you can make it to the 3rd floor and it's open, because it's not open all the time, do that. Anything to add?
It's not something that you'll cry about if you don't do this activity.
100%.
The only reason why it was good or like worth it for us is because our hotel is literally like we walked from the ferry to the hotel and now we're here. Otherwise, it's just something we ticked off the list. Whatever.
Yeah. Tick up the Statue of Liberty viewing, I guess, from your list. And it's free.
It's free.
So it doesn't hurt. Yeah, it's free. We actually wanted to go to a restaurant on the other side, but we're not hungry because we had a good breakfast. So another time when we get back.